What's up YouTube, it's Louis here bringing you today's cryptocurrency video. I'm going to look at Matic Polygon. I wasn't able to make a video yesterday. BitBay Crypto did make a video and I'm going to give all credit to her because what I'm going to cover today is everything that she's been saying in that video. So please go subscribe to her. Very underrated channel. I think she's just under 30 subscribers. Let's get her to 50 guys. Come on. I know you guys, if you support me, you need to support my partner as well because I've taught her everything that she knows. So she basically trades exactly like me, and so if she's calling for something, it's because she's learned that for me and she's seeing basically exactly what I'm seeing, because she wouldn't be getting that information if she didn't like learn it from me, you know what I mean? So make sure to go check out that video. I will link it in the description, but every single video I do link her channel in the description below. It'd mean the world to me if you could go check out her channel and watch that Polygon Matic video, because everything from this video today that you're going to see is exactly what she called out for in her video yesterday. But I don't think she got many views and she was a bit upset about that, but no worries. Let's go to her channel, let's support her channel and give her some more confidence, because to be honest guys, she don't even need the confidence. She's so good with TA, she just gets scared, you know, of sharing information. But she's been doing it for years now, so it's just like making videos to the public, so like potentially getting bad comments and whatnot. I just look past them now. But it was the same for me when I started YouTube. I was just scared of what people were going to say, even though I knew I was correct. Same with her. It's just you don't want to get bad comments, but of course that's always going to be the case. But let's just get on with this video. So BitBay Crypto was basically saying yesterday, credits to her, that we do at the moment have a monthly spinning top, but of course, sorry, spinning top, shooting star, which is this green candle. Of course this is a very negative pattern, so if we were to print this in the next 16 days, I do think that we would roll over back down to this support, and this support is very key, exactly at $1. So let's get that level in, which of course BitBay Crypto was exactly pointing out at yesterday. So $1. Okay, it's just the bottom of this box, isn't it? Yeah, the bottom of this box. So we want to see the monthly hold above this level, basically $1. As long as we're above $1, we should be good for continuation. But if we were to close this monthly shooting star, then we're going to roll over a bit more, guys. So let me just go back to monthly quickly, turn on the EMAs. Oh no, there's no EMAs available, is there? Oh yeah, look, that the 12 EMA only. So that's sitting at this support over here, the $1.12. So it's like basically this zone that we need to stay above, $1 to $1.12. So now let's take a look at the daily time frame. So BitBay was basically pointing out at this large rising wedge. Now I think she said that the technical target is down here, which I agree with, but if we were to roll over a bit more, for me I think we could come down all the way to about 69 cents, which would be of course very negative for Matic. We have been holding this trend line since July, September, October, November again, December, and we're back here 12th December, or whenever it last bounced off, 14th of December, sorry. So of course if you lose this support, it's very negative. You're completely changing the daily trend, and you could of course come down to this support, which is a daily high or low. And so if you were to get down here where your 200 daily EMA is, you could have a nice bounce. But we're going to go through the fibs, see what the fibs are saying basically. So I'm going to measure, let's start off over here. So I'm going to measure from here to here. So you can see that actually on the daily time frame we have had a nice bounce off that 0618, which is lining up with the 55 weekly daily EMA. We can see as we've come up now to test these EMAs, you're now getting rejected, and if we were to close today as is right now, this would be a shooting star, just like what we're seeing on the monthly time frame, just like this green candle over here with massive wicks to the upside, this candle over here. And so that doesn't matter what color they are, of course, green, red, doesn't matter, but if it's a red candle, it has even more strength in it. But again, same thing basically, doesn't matter what color it is. So we basically got a relief rally yesterday. Is this now going to send us back to support, where we could double bottom of course, but if we lose this, we know where we're going to, because you're losing that 0618, which basically reverses it makes the Fibonacci tool into a reversal tool, where you basically retrace 100% basically. So at the moment we retrace 61.8% of this move to the upside. Oops. And so if we were to continue up, I want to see this hold and then continuation break that high. Until then, we are getting rejected from the 050, and the EMA is right here with a shooting star. So this means I think that we're going to roll over. If we can't hold the 618, we're going to back test it as resistance and fall to the 1, which you could say would be a technical target anyway, because this is where your low is anyway. Your low at the moment. So $1.49 to $1.44 would be a technical target in this zone if you roll out of the 0618, where of course you could reverse again, get back above this and continue up. But if you were to lose this and the 200 daily EMA, you have a target at the 1618, basically at $101, which BitBay was calling out for. Now I'm going to take a look at the other Fibonacci levels. So yeah, the other Fib level is saying that if we do lose $1, back test that as resistance, going to roll down even further to around 63 to 68%. I've put the line at 68 cent because that's where your bodies are, but wicks are going down to roughly 62 cent. But I'm just looking at the Fib levels, to be honest. So I'm just going to drag it a bit. Yeah, just like that. So this is if we lose $1, and of course this could be your rising wedge target, but it could also be down here. It's just where is it going to bounce from, basically. Lose this, you're going to come to the 1. Lose the 1, you're coming to the 1618, where we can start working our way through the fibs. If you can get back above the 200 EMA and the 1, that'll be it. Then we go back up, create a new trend, uptrend. But if you were to lose this 1618, it would become very negative for Polygon, and we would come down to the 2.272 or the 2.414, sitting at roughly 63 to 69 cent. So I hope you understood that. Let's take a look at the 4 hour right now, see what is going on the shorter time frames. Yeah, so really, to be honest, guys, that's the only fib retracement that really matters at the moment, because it's giving you all your technical targets to the downside, which were all previous higher lows, basically. So that's why all previous support points. So that's why this fib is the only one that matters. Please put this fib in from this swing low here, 18th of November, I think it was, to 8th of December. So we are having a very nice bounce off that 0618. We are holding that rising wedge as support, but again, this is a bearish pattern. Of course it can break to the upside, but it's highly likelihood to break to the downside. So I'm going to put in this new fib from the swing high to the swing low. How do I know that this is okay? How do I know that this is correct? Because you've actually started going up, basically. And I've already gone through, let me just see. Yeah, so on the chart you're having lower lows, but here you're having higher lows, so we could see some more rollover because of some bearish divergence, basically. But the sentiment change is what's basically saying it for me. The fear and greed went from extreme fear to fear because of one 4H bullish candle on the Bitcoin chart, and we saw, if you look at my Elron video, 8 4-hour candles in a row with no red. That is screaming for us to continue down. I think Quant was doing something similar where we've pumped up a lot, and because of the sentiment change on crypto Twitter, this is why I believe that we are going to roll over more, basically, as well as other altcoins putting in hidden bearish divergences and whatnot, or just regular bearish divergences. So right now, yes, you are holding the 236. I do think we're going to get rejected and roll over. If you do hold that 200, it could come all the way to that 0618. But I would think that this would hold as major resistance, basically. Because look over here in the past. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Roll over. Had the nice bounce. Maybe we lose maybe we don't even get above the 382, because that's where your 4-hour EMAs are. If we lose this low, you know where we're going to the 1. Lose that, 1618. Lose that, down here around 68 cent. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace.